We are looking at encouraging people, especially from Parnem Taluka, with the priorities of first the land losers. If there are educated, qualified and experienced people meeting our requirements are there, they will get first preference. Next, the 7 neighborhood communities. Thereafter, Parnem Taluka, and then the state of Goa. So far, we were in construction. The construction related jobs are very different. Now we are coming into operation stage. As on today, we have taken 820 Goans, most of them belonging to the neighborhood communities. Day after tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Sri Praveen Arvekar, our honorable MLA, is going to distribute another 200 plus appointment orders to the local qualified employment seekers. And thereafter, as and when the employment opportunities opens up, as we improve the operations, I think we will be considering them. We should look at a full matured operate should employ about 1,500 to 2,000 people in the airport operations.
Highway to Mopa International Airport for October 23 to पुराय जातलो. At present, Mopa International Airport हाजे inauguration Honorable Prime Minister हाच्या डेटी खातीरच तांची डेट मेळ्या उपरांत रोखडेच डिक्लेअर केल्या वयतले. टेंटेटिवली डेट त्यांची डिसेंबर महिन्यातली खंयची तरी डेट तांची मेळटली. टेंटेटिव्ह म्हणजे 8 डिसेंबराच्या उपरांत केन्नाय डेट मेळपाक शकता तांच्या डेटी खातीर. लिबरेशन डेट अजून डेट फायनलायज जावंक ना. म्हणजे डेट फायनलायज जाले काय रोखडेच कळले वयतले. बेसिकली आफ्टर गुजरात इलेक्शन रिजल्ट 8 तारीख रिजल्ट हांवें म्हटलें की 8 तारखेच्या उपरांत केन्नाय मेळपाक शकता. दॅट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर्स अवेलेबिलिटी. ओके, ह्या प्रोजेक्टाचे इनॉग्रेशन आमी ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदीजीच्या हस्ते करतले. हांवें रिव्ह्यू घेता आसतना तांचे पुराय रिव्ह्यू आतांच तुमकां जो व्हिडियोज जे दाखयले फ्रॉम द टर्मिनल बिल्डींग पासून ATS पर्यंत हाजो सगळ्याचो रिव्ह्यू घेतलो. It is more than 95% work has completed. Only things म्हणजे लँडस्केपिंग आणि थोडेशे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वर्क्स हे कंप्लीट जावपाचे उरला. फुडल्या 15 दिसाच्या भितर उरलेले काम जे आसा ते पुराय करतले. एट प्रेझेंट रोड जो आसा म्हणजे मोपा कनेक्टिविटी टू द नॅशनल हायवे जो प्रेझेंट रोड हाजो वायडनींग करप सुरवात आसा आणि तो परत फूल फ्लेज ताजे डांबरीकरण जे आसा हे फुडल्या एक म्हाका दिसता केन्ना 20-25 नोव्हेंबर पर्यंत पुराय करतले.
Sir, how many airlines have expressed their desire to land here?
All the domestic carriers have expressed their desires. Approximately about 100 slots requests have been made. As the operation picks up, we are expecting more requests would come.
But they have said that they are going to operate from both the airports.
Yes.
And what about international?
International also, there are interests have come. Initially, we will only commence with domestic operations to start with in the month of December, and thereafter, during the month of January, we'll pick up international operations. Initially, to start with, 4 or 5 international airlines will start. After that, we will expand the routes and encourage more airliners to consider using our airport.
Sir, CM said,
Udan scheme also will start at
Yes, Udan scheme is also going to be connected to Goa airport with the neighborhood cities within the 150, 200, 250 kilometers range will be connected via turboprop aircrafts. Initially, for this year, we are going to build the capacity for 4.4 million passengers per annum. The moment we hit 80% of that target, we will keep on expanding to the subsequent phases, and that's how we will carry out the developments.
एअरपोर्टाक नाव दिवप हे एव्हिएशन मिनिस्ट्रीचो विषय आसा. सो दॅट अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट एव्हिएशन मिनिस्ट्री
गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट कितें डिसिजन
गोवा आमी इन एव्हिएशन मिनिस्ट्रीक विश्वासान एव्हिएशन मिनिस्ट्री कडेन डिस्कस केल्या उपरांत डिसायड केले वयतले. लँड युजरांक जे आसा पळय न्ही ते ऑलमोस्ट म्हणजे ज्यांचे डॉक्युमेंट्स क्लियर आशिल्ले त्या सगळ्या जाणांक पयशे मेळ्ळे. फक्त ज्यांचे डॉक्युमेंट्स क्लियर नाशिल्ले त्यांचे इश्यू आमी रिजॉल्व करीत आसा. बट जांकां मेळूंक ना तांकां अजुनूय बी MLAनूय इनिशिएटिव्स घेतल्या. तांकांय पयशे उरलेल्यांक मेळोवन दिले वयतले. सगळे अपोज जाता तितक्यांचे इश्यूज रिजॉल्व केल्ले आसा.